What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on this crypto called REN, REN, which has been pumping quite a lot in the last 24 hours, as you can see on the screen right now. Nearly 23% up, making it 32 cents per coin. And yes, it has been one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Yes, I know a lot of people have been pumping today because of the major drop that's taken place yesterday. A lot of them are recovering, and they've basically recovered from the major drop that's taken place yesterday. A quick recovery that we all expected. But yeah, what I'm going to be going through today is my prediction, my take on this crypto over the next couple of days, weeks, months. What potential does it have overall in 2022? How high can it go or how low can it go? A lot of people have been asking me, should I buy it right now? Should I wait for it to dip? So on and so on. So I'm going to give you guys my take on that as well. Have I invested into this? Will I invest? Have I sold it? So on and so on. But before I get into any of that stuff, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you can see, the market is 7% up here in the last 24 hours, and REN has been the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, gaining just about 21%, and it's been quite consistent as well. We can see even in the last couple of hours it has gained value. So yes, in the last hour it's dropped to nearly 2%, but overall we can clearly see it has gained value. Over the week it has gained 1%. Again, nothing major, but obviously it has, we can clearly see that it has recovered from the crash that's taken place yesterday, and over the week it is an overall nearly 5% up. So it's been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it is positive, which is what we care about. So we've got the market cap here of $326.3 million. The volume in the last 24 hours, $78.9 million. And we've got the trading activity of a massive 60% buy and 40% sell, meaning a lot more people are investing into the crypto right now, buying it, stacking it up for the long run. And we obviously got minority of the people, which is 40%, selling the crypto. And I'm pretty sure those people who did buy the dip yesterday are selling it right now, and those would be the short-term traders. I'm seeing more and more people short trading crypto over the last couple of weeks, shall I say. However, I tend to keep away from short-term trading. I just buy the dips and hold on to it for the long run, hoping you can hit a huge amount of figure. So going into the coin market cap website, we can also see that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 65% in the last 24 hours, meaning we're seeing more and more people trading the crypto. Obviously is one of the top gainers, or the second top gainer. So obviously a lot of people are seeing the crypto, researching into it, trading, buying, selling, so on and so on. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below your prediction on REN for 2022. What is the highest figure they can hit? So if we look at its overall chart, so we put the weekly chart up, the highest it's ever been to was $1.83, and this was just about a year ago. So last February it hit $1.83, and this February it's gone all the way down to 32 cents. So with a good 10 months left for the end of the year, what price target can it hit? Can it hit a new all-time high? And if so, what is it? $2, $3, $4, $5? Whatever your predictions are, comment them down below, as I want to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on REN. So before I get into the price prediction, just one more thing guys. If you're new to the channel and you haven't watched my videos before, or if you have watched my videos but you're not subscribed, guys, please make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And yes, for the giveaway there's going to be at least 3 winners, so each of you have a higher chance of winning. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and see what REN has got for us for 2022. So at the bottom here we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction, and at the top obviously we've got the candlestick pattern chart, and we've got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at just above 60 cents. However, it's trading at nearly half of it, which is 32 cents, which is very poor, meaning it is not performing as well as it expected to, meaning we may see a potential pump over the coming weeks, but we'll find out very shortly. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. Zooming in here, we can clearly see that the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, going towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a slight drop on the not the crypto market, sorry, on REN. And most of it is due because of the major increase that is taking place over the last 24 hours or 32 hours. It has to come back down in value, and I've always said this, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge increase in value, it has to come back down, especially in a short amount of time. Just like this one, it has to slightly dip in value. So do expect more drops over the coming hours. It has already started and it is likely to continue over the coming hours. However, do expect peaks in between, do expect dips, but I'm talking about the overall outcome. It seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect here? We got a mixed signal. We got the blue line looking bearish, going towards a negative trend. However, the orange line is looking bullish, going towards a positive direction, meaning it is a mixture of ups and downs over the coming days. So mid next week, we should expect it to fluctuate around the 30 to 35 cents mark by mid next week. Obviously, it can go outside those borders as well, those targets. However, the overall outcome by mid next week seems to be fluctuating between 30 to 32 cents. Moving on to the daily chart, the big boy chart, the long-term one, it is again looking mixed signal. We got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line just about looking bearish. So overall, more fluctuation it is over the coming weeks. So late March to early April, we should expect it to fluctuate around the 30 cents mark with no major increases or decreases. However, these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that could have a potential effect on REN. But anything like that, I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, just so that I can provide you guys with the most up-to-date information and accurate predictions as much as possible. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes. And regarding hitting an all-time high, well, guys, towards very late this year, it may be able to hit an all-time high depending on how it performs. However, it's quite early to judge on that, but right now, with the predictions that I've got as of now, yes, it may be able to very late this year, around November or December time, it should be able to hit a new all-time high. If not, it's going to be early next year. But again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. And if you guys have any preferences on how often you guys want REN updates, like once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or whatever it may be, comment down below and I'll try and upload according to however often you guys want these videos. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. Let's try and hit 50k subs as soon as possible before I do the crypto giveaway. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.